Couponing with Tisa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, so it is time for me to bring you guys the Walgreens deals that are good this week, the 14th through the 20th of January. Got some decent deals that's going on. Hope you guys got a great, sorry, my hair kind of sticking up right there. Some great digital spend boosters. I got 5 for $20 offer on one of my accounts, and I think the other account had a $5 for $1. So great deals either way you do it. It's going to be a great week to do some shopping at the good Walgreens. Lots of deals going on. Paper products and body wash, a lot of body wash deals. So let's go ahead and head into the store and see what's popping at Walgreens this week. Guys, here is a really great deal to do on the Vaseline Radiant products. I'm not going to be able to do it because they don't have the smaller product that I wanted to pick up, but I wanted to tell you guys about it. So you would pick up one of the ones that's marked at my store right now that I'm in at $6.49 plus one that's marked at $13.99. They are on promotion. When you buy one, you'll get one 50% off. So that's going to leave you to $17.24. But check your account. There are a couple of digital coupons that should be applying to your account. There's a 4 off of 2 that should come off, and there is also a $2 one that's available too. That can take you down to $11.24. But check Ibotta, you guys. We have some rebate offers, a $2 offer, and a $5 offer. But it can get a little bit better. Check your Fetch Rewards account to see what you have available on your account as well. I have an offer up to 2,000 points back, you guys, for picking up the product. But that's going to give me 4,000 points, actually, because it's 2 products. Also, they are on promotion. When you buy 2, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash. You guys, this has the potential to be not only free, but upwards to $2.77 moneymaker. It could be higher for you, just depending on what digital coupons you may have or what your rebate offer may be on Fetch Rewards. So great deal to pick up this week. You guys know I love this per real rebate offer. Whenever it shows back up, you can buy 2 of them for $3, but there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate we have, which will take them down to $2.25 or just $1.13 for each one. I think this is a great deal, and I typically pick it up when this deal is available. Dial body wash is on sale this week for just $4. The deal is back again on Nivea, and it is good through the end of this month. The men's, I would actually recommend doing this deal more so online than in store. If you do it in store, you can pick up 3 for $15, get back the $5 in Walgreens cash, which will leave you at $3.33 for each one. But if you do it online, you can use the code Nivea, which will automatically take you down to $10, getting back the $5 in Walgreens cash, leaves you at $5 for all 3 or $1.67. There's also a deal going on Axe body wash. When you buy 2, you'll get back a $2 register reward. So pick up 2 at $5 each. That's going to be $10. There is a $4 off of 2 digital coupon you should have on your account, leaving you to pay $6, but you'll get back the $2 register reward, leaving you at $4 or just $2. Now, the store that I'm in does not have the Suave body wash, but they are on promo this week for buy 1 get 1 half off, buy 2 get back a $1 register reward. Online they're like $3.49 each. You again, buy 1 get 1 half off, so that's going to be $5.23. There is a $1 digital coupon that we have that you can use, leaving you to pay $4.23 and getting back a $1 register reward for buying 2. There's also a rebate offer on Shop Ma'am for $1, so you can get back another $1 on there for the other body wash that you may purchase. Now, here's a deal that I love. Y'all know I love me some Dove products. They are on sale this week for $7, and the promotion is buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So I'm actually going to pair this with a deodorant because deodorant is also included. So let's go pick up a deodorant. Pick up one of the Dove deodorants that is marked for $7. Picking up these two products together is going to bring your total to $14. $14. We have a $3 off digital coupon for the Dove body wash. Plus we have a $2.50 on the Dove deodorant. You can either buy the solid or like I'm picking up the spray. So that's going to leave you to pay $8.50, but you're going to get back a $3 register reward, leaving you at $5.50 for both, or $2.75. Here's a decent deal you can do on L'Oreal Elvive. They are 2 for $9 this week. My store isn't marked yet, but pick up 2 at $9. We do have a $3 off digital coupon plus an IVC coupon of $3 off when you purchase 2. That'll leave you to pay $3 or just $1.50. Another decent hair care deal is on the Head and Shoulders. Look for the ones that are for $6. Pick up 2 of them at $12. There is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon that we do have available. That'll leave you to pay $9, but they're part of the promotion. When you buy 2, you will get back a $4 register reward, which will leave you at $5 or $2.50 for each one. Oral-B and Crest have another deal that's going on this week. When you buy 2, you'll get back a $4 register reward. I'm going to concentrate on the coupons that I have available still, which is going to be one of these Glide gum cares at $5. Pick up one of those. Look for either one of the Scope for $5 or one of the Crest at $5. So both of these together is going to equal up to $10, but I have a $2 digital for the floss picks, and then I have a $2 digital for the mouthwash. So that's going to give me $4 in savings, leaving to pay $6, but getting back a $4 register reward is going to leave me at $2 or just $1 each. There's a deal on these big Flex 3 razors. They're $4.99 each in my store. We're on promotion, buy one get one half off. Buy 3, get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So picking up 3 is going to take your total to $14.96. But there is a 3 off of 1 digital coupon that's available. Also check and see if you have that buy 2 get 1 free digital as well. That'll leave you to pay $6.97, but you'll get back the $3 register reward. Walgreens cash leaves you at just $3.97 for all 3 or $1.32 each. There's a freebie offer on these Clorox to go packs. They're over in the disinfectant area. They're $1.49 each in my store, brings them to $2.98, but there's up to 350 swag buck points, which is $3.50 back. Leaves them completely free in a 52-cent money maker. Now you can pick up 4 to max out the deal, which will make them then $1.04 money maker. Really love Method products. Look for some markdowns in the household area. They're marked down basically about half off, down to $2.79 in my store. The 4 for $10 deal is back. Let me get the products together so I can show you what's included. Here are some of the products that are included. I think the only thing I'm missing is the Downy fabric softener. Again, they are 4 for $10. Check your account for digital coupons. You could have a 50-cent digital on the Tide Simply liquid detergent, a 50-cent on the pods, and also a 50-cent for the bounce dryer sheets. You guys, that's going to take you down to just $8.50 or $2.12 for each product. Not bad. The deal is still going on for the buy 4 of the participating products, get back a $5 register reward, but now we got some digital coupons. So let me show you guys a deal you can pick up a Tide and a Tide Pods. Pick up a Gain and a Gain Flings, all at $5.49. Well, there are some $1.50 digital coupons we have out there on the Gain liquid detergent, the Gain Pods, the Tide liquid detergent, and the Tide Pods. That's going to take you down to $15.96, but get back a $5 register reward, you guys. That takes you down to $10.96 or $2.74 for each product. Plus, you don't forget to load your receipt to PG Good every day so you can get points back on there as well. If you're loyal to Colgate, they do have a deal going on as well. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So concentrate on the products that are marked for $4, like this toothpaste. Also, the mouthwash marked for $4. That's going to bring your total to $8, but you can use the $2 digital coupon on the toothpaste and the $2 digital coupon on the mouthwash, leaving you to pay $4, but get back the $3 register rewards, leave you at $1 or 50 cents each. If you're in need of some paper products, here's a deal you can do as well. Pick up one of the Scott paper towels at $5. Also pair it with one of the Scott Comfort Plus, also at $5. It's going to take your total to $10, but there's a $1 digital you can pick up on the Scott paper towels and $1 digital for the Comfort Plus. That's going to take you down to $8 or $4 each. Or you can do it a different way, like two of the tissues at $7.50 because they're on promotion, buy one get one half off. Plus there is a $1 digital, again, that's attaching to the tissue, leaves them at $6.50 for both, or $3.25 each. Another deal you can just concentrate on the paper towels is pick up 2 of them at $10. There are 2 digital $1 coupons that's available, leaving you to pay $8 or leaving them at $4 each. And you can use Walgreens cash to help lessen your out-of-pocket expense. Another paper deal you can do involves the Charmin products. They are buy 4 get back a $5 register reward. So look at picking up one of these Charmin essentials at $5.49. Also pick up one of these tissues, either the ultra soft or strong, at $5.49. My store is out, but if you do have the Bounty essentials, 6 equals 8, pick up 2 of those. So I'm going to insert the pictures of the Bounty essentials. So your cart should look something like this. Your total is going to be $21.96, but there is a $1 digital for the Charmin ultra soft tissue at the top. There is a 50-cent digital that would attach to the Charmin essentials tissue, and then there is a $1 digital for the paper towels and a 50-cent Bounty paper towels as well. That's going to leave you to pay $18.96, but you'll get back the $5 register reward, leaving you at $13.96 or $3.50 for each product. But again, if you have that spend 20, get $5 back. That's going to leave you just $8.96 for all 4 products, or $2.24 each. One of my favorite deals is back again. It's on the complete home bags. They are buy 1 at $2.79, get 2 completely free. So picking up 3, going to leave them at just 93 cents. If you're in need of some water, pick up the Nice brand, the 24 packs. They are on sale until January 27th for 2 for $5. Right, guys, so here's everything I'm picking up because this is the only thing that I need to pick up for this week. I told you guys I'm doing better with just getting the things that I need and getting out the store. So I will be pairing this with my spend booster with spend $1, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So let's go. Guys, and here is my receipt. You can see my digital coupons came off no problem. My subtotal was $8.50, $9.24 after tax. I did get back $5.14 in Walgreens cash and everyday coins as well. I also got back the $3 register reward. So after tax for me, that left it at a cool $1.10 or 55 cents for each one of those products. So hopefully you guys can get out this week, go do some great deals happening at Walgreens. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts, you guys. And yeah, till the next time, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and God bless. Peace out.